and anywhere you see good food, you will find me there. This is a premium African food mukbang, the one they serve at weddings. This is what it tastes like. This fish is large. Oh my goodness, this reminds me of the suya I used to eat when I was growing up. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Guys, look at this. I cleared my plates. Like nothing is left. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chidinma Amanze, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video and you hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Guys, welcome back to another video. I am super excited for this one, and you guys already know I am such a foodie, and anywhere you see good food, you will find me there. If you don't see me, you'll see me around there. This is a premium African food mukbang, and I had to come correct, steady representing. I have the African map here with all the countries: Nigeria, Ethiopia, Mali, Ghana. It has everything, so I had to come correct. It's given African queen. And before we get into this video, I want to give a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Rare Eats. Take your flowers, like take all your flowers, Rare Eats. You are doing the Lord's work for Africans in diaspora. Rare Eats is a passionate e-commerce food delivery business based in the UK. They specialize in offering 100% organic, fresh and preservative-free frozen West African meals. Their mission is to provide every home with the opportunity to savor the flavor of West African cuisine while saving precious time on cooking preparation. They believe that bringing the right ingredients together in our food represents our culture and can help to blend together different cultures by allowing people to embrace more of our African culture easily. Their products have low calories, high fiber, low carbs and low sugar. Their mission is to provide high quality, ready to cook and grill meals that are both convenient and fresh. They believe that by introducing the world to the unique and diverse taste of West African cuisine, we can promote the growth and global competitiveness of the region's products. Their mission is to showcase the rich cultural heritage of West Africa through carefully curated ingredients and delicious meals. So my UK fam, you know how you go to the grocery stores here and you mostly see ready to eat Asian and Italian meals like the chicken tikka masala, pasta and all of that. I had always wished to see African dishes, and when the Rare Eats team reached out to me, guys, I was so ecstatic. I was so excited. This is what we're talking about, and this is why we're here today. They sent me this huge package, and I just wanted to show you guys how it came. I've already taken out the products and put them in the freezer. It came in this box, and there were 2 ice packs underneath the products. Let me just show you. And it came with this note, keep frozen, and 2 ice packs, even though they are melted now, but they were frozen when they got here. This is basically to keep your food frozen till you receive your package, because their products are preservative free. So they sent me 5 of their products, starting with, of course, everyone's favorite, Jello Fries. And they sent me beef stew. We have the chicken wings skewers suya, and we have catfish pepper soup. Guys, so yummy. And the last one, donkwa, which is coconut and peanut energy balls. Their products came neatly packaged in their customized packs, and behind you have everything you need to know. You have the ingredients, nutritional information, dietary information, their address, their social media handles, storage information, and of course how to prepare it. So most of these ones you just have to empty them, put them in boiling water, in a pot of boiling water, and boil for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Like this stew, it says empty the bag contents into a pot of boiling water, leave to cook for 10 minutes on medium to low heat, and then mix thoroughly for 30 seconds. Leave to cook for a further 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Meat tenderness is based on your preference, so you may cook longer if preferred. Serve accordingly. So guys, I'm going to prepare these and I'll come back, showcase them, and we'll taste them. Yes guys, we're tasting them together, so let go.
Much later.
So guys, we're done cooking, and while I was cooking, the aroma, like I just wanted to eat up everything, but I was like, nope, I'm going to come here and we're going to taste it, like I said, together. So we're going to start with the beef stew, and I boiled white plain rice for this, so we're going to try this together. The Nigerian beef stew is a delightful West African stew made with lean beef and simmered in a savory sauce made with tomatoes and peppers. It is so versatile and can be eaten with many different dishes like plain white rice, pasta, boiled or fried yam and plantain, just name it. So we're going to mix it all together and taste it. Already I'm speechless and I haven't even started. This is just the stew and rice. Guys, this is really tasty. Like, I can taste everything. So this is the beef. I cooked mine longer because I love when my beef is very soft. This is really nice. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Ray. Like, you understood the assignment. And this beef, like, it tastes like proper Nigerian stew, like Nigerian beef stew. The one they serve at weddings. This is what it tastes like. Honestly, this is what it tastes like. Guys, I'm going to finish. I'll finish this before we get to the other ones. But no, okay, I'm done. Let me just take my last spoon and we'll move on to the next dish. Let me just finish it. I'll be very quick. I added more sauce because this is really tasty. Tomatoes, peppers, and the pepper is just perfect. Like, you can taste it. It's not too peppery, it is just right. I really like this. Like, guys, look at this. I cleared my plates. Like, nothing is left. This is a 10-10, like 10 out of 10. This beef stew, yes, this is what you call Nigerian beef stew. I love it. Moving on to the next one. Catfish pepper soup is a popular Nigerian soup recipe, also known as point and kill. It is usually eaten in exclusive Nigerian bars and restaurants. The ingredients used include catfish, onions, garlic, red peppers, and spices. So guys, this is what the catfish pepper soup looks like. I love to eat my catfish pepper soup or my pepper soup with rice, white rice again. So we're going to do that and try it. Are you ready for this one? I'm so excited for this one because this fish is large. It is large, guys. And they were like, how many slices of fish? I think about 8 or 6, I can't remember. But guys, it is large. It is really large. So this is it. I added some sauce here just to this part of the rice so we can try it. It looks so juicy, like so juicy. The fish was properly marinated. The spices really entered the fish and I really like it. It's so juicy. Look at that. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. I took out 1 mark because of pepper. With this, the pepper here is a bit mild and I think it's because of preference. So maybe when you receive your package, you can always add extra pepper if you want. But I like when my pepper soup is peppery, like spicy. You know, atarodo, not so hot, but at least I want to. But this is really mild, and like I said, I think it's because of preferences. and all of that. So when you get yours, you can always add extra pepper. I didn't add extra pepper because I wanted to just give it to you guys exactly how I received it. Okay, so this is a 9 out of 10 because of pepper, but I really like it. The fish well marinated, the sauce is juicy, and it's just really tasty. Let's move on to the next one. Jollof rice is a West African dish typically made with long grain rice, tomatoes, tomato paste, onions, scotch bonnet peppers, salt, and spices. It is the best known African dish outside the continent. Each West African country has at least one variant form of the dish, with Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Cameroon. And of course, we know the popular banter between Niger Jollof and Ghana Jollof. So this is what our jollof rice looks like, and let's taste it, guys. This tastes like party jollof, like firewood jollof, smoked jollof. It has that firewood taste, firewood smell. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. And we have the chicken wings skewers suya. Rare Eats spicy chicken wing skewers is a special grilled skewers made with suya spice, which is a popular food item in West Africa. This is a Nigerian street food at its finest. Think nutty, spicy meat or fish threaded onto skewers, then grilled. The finished sticks cradled in paper or foil with a side of fresh tomatoes, sliced onions, and an additional sprinkling of their rich suya spice. Rare Eats suya spice contains a blend of chilies, ginger, garlic, onions, salt, and other spices, and ground dehydrated and defatted granules or peanuts. Suya originated in the north of Nigeria, where the knowledge and mastery of meat, fish, and spices are second to none. So we have our chicken wings skewer suya here, and let's try it. Okay, oh my goodness, this reminds me of the suya I used to eat when I was growing up. We used to buy it in Shell residential area. They had like a club where they had a bar and stuff, and there was one suya man. This tastes like a suya. Wow. Guys, this chicken wing skewer suya is so yummy. Like, I'm going to give it an 11 out of 10. Extra 1 point because it just made me remember my childhood. They also gave me extra suya spice, which will definitely come in handy. Thank you so much, Rare Eats, for this chicken skewer suya. 11 out of 10. Yes. So we are done with the premium African food mukbang, and guys, I have food for the next 3 days because on the package it says after cooking consume within 3 days. So definitely I have food for the next 3 days, all thanks to Rare Eats. So guys, you can check out their website www.rareeats.com. You can check them out on Instagram at rareeats.uk, on Facebook at Rare Eats, and on Twitter at Rare Eats. Reach out to them, go to their website. They have other selections of different dishes: egusi soup, begiri, ewagoe, moi moi. They have different selections, different dishes for you. So check their website, and I'm going to leave my discount code on the screen because of course there was a little something for you all, my family members. Okay, be sure to reach out to them and also get something. When you do, tag me, send me a DM. I also want to hear your feedback. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, drop a comment to the comment section, share, and hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.